Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you two moisturizers that I've used and I absolutely love. Ta-da! I have here Cerave Moisturizers. I'm going to be telling you the differences and similarities between the two of them and also which is best for different skin types and weather conditions. On this hand, I have Cerave Moisturizing Cream and on this other hand, I have Cerave Moisturizing Lotion. Guys, these moisturizers are super amazing. They make the skin feel so soft, so moisturized, so romanced. Like it gives me this feeling that I'm romancing my skin. Okay, that actually sounds so weird in my ears. So scratch that. And the great thing about them is that they are developed by dermatologists. So they are actually so safe to be used on the skin. Another good thing about these moisturizers is that these moisturizers can be used by anyone. By that I mean young, old, middle age. It can also be used by a man or a woman. A woman, man, man, woman. Either way, it's basically for everybody. But please note that these moisturizers are not going to lighten your skin. It's not going to make you look like a shabrabra or woo. No, it's going to help maintain your skin tone and give your skin the right benefits. If you're dark skinned, you're going to continue being dark. If you're light skinned, you're going to continue being light skinned. It's not going to make you lighter or darker. So you're safe using either of these moisturizers. Guys, this is my fifth time of recording this video. I always hear content creators say, oh guys, I've recorded this video like 3 times and I could never ever relate, but I've recorded this video like 4 times. This is my fifth time of doing it. God, this has to be the last time I'm shooting this video. I feel so exhausted because I'm tired of hearing my voice say the same thing over and over again. If anyone wakes me up from sleep and asks me to tell them about these two CeraVe moisturizers, I'm gonna be singing it out loud. What? What? Anyways, before we go into this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. We actually have fun on this channel. And leave a comment below. Have you tried any of these CeraVe moisturizers? Which one do you prefer? Which other moisturizer are you using at the moment? Or rather, which moisturizer out there is your favorite? I'm going to be trying them out at the back of my palm so you guys can see the texture and how they feel on my skin. This is how the moisturizing cream looks. It's actually so thick. It is so thick. It is way thicker than the moisturizing lotion. I have actually used both of these moisturizers, so I have a lot to say about them. These are the two moisturizers. On my left is the lotion and on my right is the cream. Do you guys see the difference between the two of them? This is actually so runny and this is thicker. You see? It's dripping. Does this remind you of something? Bring your mind out of the gutter. Jesus. The lotion is actually so lightweight, while the cream actually feels thicker. This hand is the lotion, while this hand is the cream. Do you guys notice any difference between the two of them? Oh my god. Like I'm rubbing my palms. These moisturizers actually feel so amazing. The moisturizing cream feels like butter on the skin. It is creamy, it is yummy. While the moisturizing lotion feels like water on the skin. It's so lightweight, it's so juicy. Like, do you understand what I mean? You don't understand me? You get it? It's so important to moisturize your hands. You should never ever leave your hands dry because at the long run, your hands are going to be the first thing to show your signs of aging. Our hand actually shows our age more than any other part of our body. I feel like these two moisturizers are the same. The only difference between the two of them is that this has petrolatum, which is also known as petroleum. Petroleum is used mostly in the making of petroleum jelly. So because CeraVe added petroleum jelly in this, that is why this is thicker than the lotion. That is the only difference between these two moisturizers. But other than that, they are the same thing. Now let's talk about the similarities. They both contain 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Ceramides help restore and protect the skin barrier, while hyaluronic acid helps plump the skin and reduce signs of aging, which is fine lines and wrinkles. I know you don't want to age quickly, so please start moisturizing your skin. Never ever leave your skin looking dry, okay? Like for example, some people come out of the bathroom and they just put on their outfits without moisturizing. Why do you do that to your skin? Tell me why. You don't know that at the long run, your skin is going to start drying up and showing signs of aging. Do you want to have early signs of wrinkles and fine lines? No, right? You have to start moisturizing your skin. Never ever leave your skin dry or looking crusty or looking old and rusty. Do you get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Anyways, they are both fragrance free. They don't have any fragrance whatsoever. They don't smell like anything. So if you're someone that you don't like fragrance or you don't like perceiving anything in your cream or on your body, then these two moisturizers are your cup of tea. So you should go drink them. Not like literally, but go and drink them. They both can be used for dry to very dry skin. It's written on the packaging. In as much as it's written on them that they can be used for people that have dry to very dry skin, I actually feel like you can use a moisturizing lotion if you have oily skin because this is so lightweight. This feels like water on the skin. This glides through easily. I easily apply this on my skin and it immediately soaks into my skin. This is actually my favorite. Mwah! Mwah! So I like it. It doesn't make me sweat. It doesn't make me feel like I have anything on my skin, and it still gives my skin the benefits my skin needs. If you're someone that sweats easily or a lot, I would suggest you go for the moisturizing lotion because it's not going to feel like you have anything on your skin. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Jokes apart, I love this more than this. While this is also lightweight, but it feels thicker when you're applying it on the skin. Nevertheless, they are both amazing moisturizers. They are worth every penny. They are money well spent. And if you have very dry skin, you should go for the moisturizing cream. And if you have oily skin or combination skin, you can go for this. Nevertheless, you can use them as you wish. It depends on how they feel on your skin and how much you enjoy them. It's a personal preference. This moisturizing cream also comes in another kind of container or packaging that has a pump on it like this. So you don't have to open it and dip your finger in. You just have to press the pump and the cream comes out. That's bougie. That's easier. That's more convenient. That's more healthy. So if I'm going for this moisturizing cream again, I would rather go for the one that has a pump. Stephanie. I don't know if it's pronounced as Cerave or Cerave, but because I'm a French linguist, I would rather stick with Cerave. It sounds so Frenchy and sexy. This is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh God, I hope this is the last time I'm going to shoot this particular video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, we have fun on this channel, and finally leave a comment below. Which of these not really subscribers, which of these moisturizers would you go for? Would you go for the cream or the lotion? Let's discuss in the comment section. Anyways, I can't wait to see you guys in my other videos. I have so many interesting and educative videos on my channel. So guys, let's go and check out my other videos. I bet you are gonna enjoy them. See you guys in my other videos. Love you. Mwah.